In a magical forest, two unlikely friends journeyed. Pommy, a fluffy Pomeranian, and Popo, a chubby baby panda. As night fell, they found a clearing aglow with magical mushrooms.
Arf, arf!
Popo's bear-shaped lantern twinkled like fireflies as Pommy nestled a tiny bird in his scarf. Suddenly, they weren't alone. A baby owl, raccoon, and hedgehog appeared.
Arf, arf, arf!
As stars peeked out, the little group snuggled close, finding comfort in each other's presence. For the first time, Pommy and Popo felt something new. Home. A sense of belonging washed over them, warm and comforting like the lantern's glow.